A very warm welcome to all the students of Modern English School. You are English with Himanshu Verma. Today I will explain Class 8 Lesson 4 Bipin Chaudhary Lapse of Memory. Dear students, first of all I would like to suggest you, if you are watching this video, you should keep the book before you, then you will understand very well. Firstly, I explain the introduction of this chapter. Do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? It means if you have a good memory, then there is another question. If your memory has played any trick in your life with you, it means the storage is based on that. Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. If you are forgetting anything, you will face a problem in that condition. Tight spot means a very difficult time. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. If you are forgetting in the part of your life, it means you may be crazy. You will suffer from that problems. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy. Bipin Babu is a character of this lesson. He is going to be crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. He doesn't remember about going to Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. He always insists that I have never been to Ranchi, but there are many witnesses to the contrary. There are many proofs that he went to Ranchi, but he doesn't agree with that. What is the suspense all about? We have to explain, we have to study about this suspense. So let's start the first part and the first paragraph of the first part. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's New Market to buy books. Bipin Chaudhary is the first character of this lesson. Bipin Chaudhary, when he back from his work, he always went to the new market to buy books. And the owner of the bookshop is Kali Charan. Bipin Babu always go to Kali Charan's shop on each and every Monday. He purchases the books of crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He completed at least 5 books in a week. Okay, he lived alone, was not a good mixer, had few friends, and didn't like spending time in idle chat. He completes 5 books because he lived alone and he was not a good mixer. Okay, he had also few friends. He doesn't want to spend the time in idle chat. Idle chat means gossip. Okay, today at Kali Charan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. Today when he went to the bookshop, then Bipin Babu was feeling that there is a person who is following me from close quarters. It means that man is very close to me. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. When Bipin Babu turned, he found that there is a person who is looking, and his looking is a round-faced, meek-looking man, and who is also smiling to Bipin Babu. Okay. I don't suppose you recognize me. The person who told to Bipin Babu that I don't suppose you recognize me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. When he asked, I don't suppose you recognize me, you are not recognizing me, then Bipin Babu asked, have we met before? The man looked greatly surprised. When Bipin Babu asked this question, then that man looked greatly surprised. Next, we met every day for a whole week. That person was telling that we met every day, a whole week. I also arranged for a car to take to you the Hudro Falls. I have also arranged for you a car because you want to go to Hudro Falls. In 1958 in Ranchi, the person who also told that I have helped in the year of 1958 and the place was Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. He also introduces that my name is Parimal Ghosh and I am from Ranchi. Okay. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu was telling in himself that I don't know him, this man who is making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He was also thinking that I have never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He was telling that, Bipin Babu was telling that, I have tried to go there. I have planned to go to several times, but I have never gone there. He smiled and said, Bipin Babu smiled and said to that man, do you know who I am? Then Parimal Ghosh raised his eyebrows. Raised his eyebrows means he was looking very surprised. Bit his tongue and said, bit his tongue. He surprisingly said that, do I know you? I know you, that is very simple thing. Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? It means you are very famous person. Who doesn't know you? Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, still you are making a mistake. Bipin Babu turned towards the almirah of the books and he said, you are still making a mistake. Often these types of mistakes has been done by the person. I have never been to Ranchi. You should confirm about it. The man now laughed aloud. When Bipin Babu said that I have never been to Ranchi, then that man laughed aloud. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? Parimal Ghosh said to Mr. Chaudhary, what are you saying? you had a fall in Woodrow and cut your right knee. When you are in the Ranchi and then you fall at Woodrow Falls and you cut your right knee also. I bought you iodine. When your right knee cut, in that situation I have taken iodine for you. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhart next day. And the next day I have also fixed up a car because you have to go to Netherhart. But you could not because of the pain in the knee. When you want to go to Netherhart, you are unable to go there because you are suffering from the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Have you remembered? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. I will also another things that may remember you. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. There is also a person there whose name was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bangla. You were stayed in a bangla. You said you didn't like hotel food, and in that bangla you were telling to me that I don't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. In that condition, you have preferred to have your meals which was cooked by a bawarchi. Utter disbelief means complete surprised. Head reeled means shocked and confused. Now start this page. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. Parimal Ghosh was trying to prove to Bipin Chaudhary, and so he was telling that Mr. Mukherjee was also staying with his sister in that bangla. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Bipin Chaudhary, I want to tell you that you are also doing a big argument about the moon landing. Have you remembered? I will tell you more, don't worry. You always carried a bag with your books. There is a bag with you, and you are also carrying a bag, and there are many books in that bag. On your sightseeing trips, it means when you are in the journey, then you carried a big bag with your books. Am I right or not? Just tell me about these things. Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Bipin Babu was studying the book, his eyes still on the books, and he said, which month in 58 you are talking about? You are telling me that 1958. Just tell me about which month was that? Then the man, Parimal Ghosh, said the month was October. No, sir, said Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu said that, no, sir, I am not agree with you because I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. And the October month was of Durga Puja, and I spent Durga Puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. So I don't agree with you. You are making a mistake. Good day. Now I want to go from here. But the man didn't want to go from there, nor did he stop talking. He talking continuously, and he said that very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bangla. How is it possible You don't remember anything. There is one evening I had also tea with you in that veranda where we are living in that bangla. You spoke about your family. You have also told me about your family that you have no any children and you had lost your wife 10 years ago. You have also told me about your wife that you have lost your wife 10 years ago. You also told me about your brother. Your brother had died insane. Insane means madness. Which is why you don't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. You told me my brother is died because I don't go to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. So my brother is died. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop. Now Bipin Babu wants to go from there, so he paid the books and he was leaving the shop. The man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. Parimal Ghosh was still looking very surprisingly. Okay. Now I want to describe comprehension check. There are 3 questions are given here. First question is here. Why did the man stare at Bipin Babu in disbelief? Answer is very simple. Bipin Babu had refused to recognize him, so the man was looking in very strange manner. Second question. Where did Bipin Babu say he went in October? Bipin Babu said that he has spent 1958 with a friend in Kanpur. Question number 3. Mention any 3 things that Parimal Ghosh knew about Bipin Babu. Parimal Ghosh had said many things about Bipin Babu, about his brother, about his children, about his wife, about his habits of baggage in the book, etc. Students, I hope that you have understood very well, and I will also upload next part of this lesson. Thank you for watching this video.